Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Virgos. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Knight of Suns, Four of Moons, and Seven of Spheres in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So, Virgos, you are someone who is excited about something today. Maybe you have some new offer, opportunity coming your way, and you are maybe talking about it to your friends or to your colleagues or family or with this person you love. You are communicating this success, some rare opportunity that has reached you today, something about which you are really happy, guys. And you are someone who is really confident about your skills and talents, and maybe that may be the reason you are confident that you will be successful in this choice that you have made for yourself, and you want to proceed right away, maybe take up that choice immediately. Maybe if you are making some important decision, Virgos, if it involves some kind of a move to a different place of work or move to a different city, maybe changing your residence. So some major changes are involved. You need to be clear, guys. Take that decision with clarity. You should not make a rash decision today. So you must think before moving, because right now you may feel stuck or tired with the day to day repeated same kind of work. That may be the reason you are just jumping in joy when you see the first opportunity to move out of this job. But this work may not work for you, guys. So it may be in your career situation or it may be your circumstance in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are with this person for quite some time now and you have a good understanding with this person, but still you want some kind of an adventure, maybe. And you are looking for opportunities to move away from this person, maybe have some fun. So you are trying to do something different today, guys, but you should not think anything, do anything impulsively, because it is going to land you in a lot of difficulties, guys. And maybe if you can just hold on, if you can just make yourself wait, give yourself time, be patient for some time. Take a deep breath, just relax yourself. You are going to find that you will be able to overcome these challenging situations. So something is tempting you today, guys. It may be in the form of an opportunity in your career taking away from this person you love, or it may be a person, a new friendship. So you want to take that up. Your adventurous nature is calling for that, but for some of you it may land you in some painful circumstances, guys, Virgo. So you need to avoid that. You should not go for that impulsive actions. So let's see for your relationship. We have Page of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your relationship again, there is someone simply adoring you. That is what we were speaking about. Someone tempting you to come with them, or they are simply admiring you for your skills and talents, and they are following you maybe because they are attracted to you, attracted to your charm, and maybe they see you as someone good, successful, and they consider you as their ideal. That may be the reason. But the words they speak, that may be honeyed words. You should not trust what they speak, because this person may be quite immature, guys. They are just here with you. They may not hold on something certain for you. So they are speaking those words just for fun, maybe casually. Maybe they adore you, but they will not commit to you deeply, guys. So you must give up this temptation. That is what I would say. You must not bow down to this temptation in your situation. So for your career, we have Five of Moons in reverse. So with this card, it just means that maybe in your work there are some new opportunities reaching you that is simply going to take your time and energy, use all your skills and talents, but maybe you should take it slow, take one step at a time in your career situation, guys. So you must handle your circumstances efficiently, Virgos. That is what I see with these cards, Virgos. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. Please wait for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what this card is for those who chose this card. It says time for a nap. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your life in general, in your career maybe. So this may not be the right time to make any plans. So even in your relationship, if you are single, if you are in not any relationship right now, you just need to take this time to understand yourself, to get that clarity what you truly feel. Or if you are with someone you love, this may be the time to relax, because in your circumstances today, it's really uneventful, nothing is happening. So from your side, from your point of view, you should not force anything. You must just allow things to flow naturally, guys. And beautiful renewal is taking place. You are getting that detox and rejuvenation much needed in this relationship, and patience is the key to achieve whatever you wish for yourself. So this is the time for you to take rest, so that your love and this relationship will become much more stronger and rejuvenated, guys, today. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, this card, it is a crystal spirits card, guys, and it is sodalite. So with this card, it just means that you need to understand that you are part of that divine energy. You have that divine force with you, and that divine force is the reason for inspiration and guidance we feel in our hearts every day, each and every day of our life, guys. And that divine spirit wants always the best for us. So maybe in your circumstances, you may have some doubts regarding some decisions you need to make today, but you don't know what will be the right thing to do. You are in a lot of confusion, maybe, guys. Maybe in this relationship, you can have that trust that this divine spirit is going to guide you in the right way, and you should not forget your worth, your values, and your truth, whatever you have in your heart of hearts. And if you are not sure about your next move, what should be the next choice or decision you need to take today in your circumstances, guys, you can pray humbly in your heart of hearts to that divine spirit to guide you. So maybe whatever decisions you take up, you make, or whatever actions you do will not be a repeat of the past mistake. So that will be a guidance from that universal spirit helping you today, guys. And this crystal stands for that, guys. This crystal helps us to find that right answer within ourselves, and it guides us in our meditation. So if you need to make some important decisions, you just need to close your eyes, keep yourself calm and quiet, composed for a few seconds, and pray honestly and humbly in your heart of hearts, and you may get the answer for whatever questions you may have in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.